In this video, I will be talking about the nanoparticles and nanocomposite. Nanoparticles, as the name suggests, nano means very small. So these are the small particles which exist on a nanometer scale, that is between 1 to 100 nanometer, and they have very high surface to volume ratio. And due to their high surface area and small size, they have very unique chemical and physical properties. So these nanoparticles, they can be hard or soft in nature, and they are produced by breaking the bulk material into atoms or ions and then condensing them into nanoparticles. So nanoparticles, they are produced by breaking the bulk material into atoms or ions and then condensing it into nanoparticles, and they are of different types based on the shape, physical and the chemical properties. And even they can be carbon based, metal based, ceramic based, semiconductor based, polymer based, as you can see in the screen, that is polymer metal nanocomposite. And naturally, if you see nanoparticles, they are produced by many industrial and domestic process like cooking, manufacturing, etc. And even they are found in volcanic ash, ocean spray, fine sand and dust, and they have wide applications. Now when we insert these nanoparticles in some matrix or medium, that is known as they will improve its property, so that matrix, we call it as nanocomposite. Nanocomposite is a matrix to which these nanoparticles have been added to improve particular property of the material. So you can see here, this is metal salt we are taking as a nanoparticle, and we are inserting it into the monomer unit. So whatever polymer we will get, it will be having improved properties. Now in this case, clay we are taking, and along with the monomer units, so this will be again having improved properties. So various types of nanocomposites we can make, like ceramic matrix nanocomposite, in which we will be taking ceramic, main part will be occupied by ceramic, or metal matrix nanocomposite, in which generally metals, oxides, they are taken, and they form super thermite material. Then polymer matrix nanocomposites are there, in which the polymers, they will be added. So you can see the nanoparticles, along with some matrix, they are used everywhere. They have wide applications from resistant paints, the transparent sunscreens, self-cleaning windows, and ceramic coating even of the solar cells. So they have wide applications. Even they are used to increase the safety of the car by improving the adhesion of tires to the road. And nanoparticles, they can even strengthen the steel which is used in vehicles. They are having wide applications even in the food industries and medicines. Few disadvantages are there. If nanoparticles, they are inhaled, they can cause serious health problems. For example, the aerosols, which when inhaled, it can cause serious threat.